In today's video, I'm going to teach you how ManyChat billing works. First, let's talk about where to manage everything. When you're ready to choose or review your plan, go to your dashboard, open Settings, and then select Billing or Subscription. That page is your hub for seeing what plan you're on, checking your limits, and making any changes. Now, about the plans themselves. ManyChat offers a free plan that's great for getting started. It includes basic automation, but limits the number of contacts you can engage. If you need more capacity and features, there are paid tiers: Essential, Pro, Business, and Advanced. Each tier unlocks more advanced capabilities and raises your contact limits. So think about how many contacts you expect to message and which features you actually need. As a ballpark, starting prices often look like this: Essential around $14 per month, Pro around $29, and Business around $69. If you choose an annual option, your effective monthly cost may be lower, so weigh that if you know you'll be using the platform long term. Keep in mind, pricing can change, so always confirm what you see on the billing page before you commit. Your billing cycle is straightforward. Once you subscribe, you're charged on the same calendar date each month. For example, if you start on March 10th, your next charge will be on April 10th. This consistent date makes it easy to plan your budget. If you switch plans mid-cycle, just review the confirmation screen so you understand how the change will affect your next bill. For payments, ManyChat processes credit and debit cards through Stripe, a secure online payments provider. Make sure your card details are current to avoid interruptions. At this time, PayPal isn't supported, so you'll want to have a valid card on file. There's also a free trial to help you explore premium features before paying. ManyChat offers a 14-day free trial for pro features. During that period, you won't be charged. If you decide ManyChat isn't the right fit, be sure to cancel before the trial ends. Otherwise, you'll be charged automatically when the 14 days are up. A quick tip: mark your calendar with the trial end date so you can make a clear decision in time. That's the overview. Pick the plan that matches your needs in Dashboard, Settings, Billing, or Subscription. Understand your monthly charge date, pay by card through Stripe, and take advantage of the 14-day trial if you're testing Pro. With these basics, you'll know exactly what to expect and can manage your account with confidence.